Welcome. In this video, I'll show you multiple ways to add a PDF here in Wix. Okay. For example, I'm just going to add a section right here, and then I'm going to go ahead over to the left panel and click on Add Apps. Okay. This is the first method. You can now go ahead and use the search bar and type in PDF. Now you can go ahead and use any of these apps, but for now, I'm just going to be using the free ones. Okay. Maybe this one. I'm going to click on it, wait for it to load. Then once done, click on Add to Site. Click Agree. Wait for it to load. As you can see here, it will be added under the app widgets, under elements. Okay, it says here, drag me to the page. So I'm just going to drag it right here. As you can see, it's in the back. I'm just going to delete this one. All right, there you go. So what we'll do next is just go ahead and select it like so, and then click on Edit PDF. Okay, here we have the PDF settings. Now it says here, please enter a valid URL. All right, to get the link, just go ahead over to the left panel, click on Media. You'll have to upload your files from here. Click on Upload Media, or you can go ahead and use Google Drive if you have the PDF on Google Drive. Okay, I'm just going to upload it, and then upload from computer. I have a PDF sample right here. Just wait for it. Done. Click on 3 dots, copy URL, close it, highlight it again, edit PDF, wait for it, and paste the copied URL. That's basically how you do it. As you can see, here we have the dummy PDF. Now, another option, you could go ahead and use buttons, okay, if you want to. Let's say I'm going to add it right here. I'm going to add in an element, and then I'm going to select a button, maybe download button. Okay, I'm going to move it right here, and then I'm going to rename it as download the PDF here, like so. Okay. Once done, click on it to highlight it, and then click on link. Okay, it could be a page, web address, and some other options. So I'm just going to be using web address. Okay, but the link that we're going to be using is not the ones from the media right here. I'm going to be using the actual link. For example, you have it stored on Google Drive. Okay, for example, here I have the same PDF right here. I'm going to right click on it, share, copy link. Okay, I'm going to paste that in here. Done. All right, so we'll hit on preview. Here we have the PDF from the app or using the app. And the other option is the button. When we click on it, as you can see, you will be redirected to the PDF itself. That's basically how you add PDF to Wix. Well, I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.